Hello everybody, it's Rich220 and plans on finishing this car up today were messed up by Mother Nature. There's not that much more I have to do. A little spot on the door, a little bit back here, got to paint over here again. Let's see. A little bit there. That don't look too bad. It's got to be wet sanded. And then that's got to be sanded. That's it. Front's done. See, I did the black on the grill. And then over by the windows, it's all banged out, so. The wheels are done, they've been painted, so they don't look like crap anymore. And I just got to get this wet mark out and hopefully clear that, and that should be the end of it. But yeah, we had somebody parked here, so I couldn't even move it if I wanted to. Now I can, but the spot over there where I would park it is actually soaking wet right now, so. Yep, that's about the size of it. Mother Nature doesn't want to quit. She wants the rain today, so nothing I can do about it. Like and subscribe, folks. Leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.